Okay, is an assessee. Next one is a direct tax. Direct tax, it means are the direct paid by the government, by the taxpayer. Taxpayer, it means a assessee. Assessee, for example, gift tax, income from salary, income from business, income from house property. House property mainly classified into three categories. One is a self-occupied property ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇ ಸ್ವತಃ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಮನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಲೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಪೈಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ನಾವೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಇಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. These are the including in a direct tax. Next one is indirect tax. Indirect tax are applied on the basis of manufacturer or sales of goods and services. Under the taxation is a transfer from one person to another person or one company to another company. Will pay a indirect tax. For example, sales tax, service tax, goods tax, and excise duty. Excise duty, it means consisting of a 3% of a excise duty from compulsory. It is a pay on gross total income ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3% ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ವಿತ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿಂಗ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ GST ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. Heads of income. First one is income from salary. Income from salary. Second one, income from house property. Income from house property. And third one, income from business or profession. Business or profession. Next, fourth one is income from capital gain. Income from capital gain. And the last step, income from other sources. Income from other sources. Income from other sources. These all those heads including in heads of income. First one is income from salary. Income from salary, it means it is a based on employee. It is a based on employee. For example, TA, DA, HRA, basic salary, PF, public fund, and PPF, public provident fund, and IRPF, interest relief public fund, and PPF, public provident fund, and interest on RPF, recognized interest on recognized provident fund, and RPF, recognized provident fund. These are all those heads including in income from salary. It is a based on employee or assessee. And individual ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು with regarding of ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ based on mainly classified into house property three categories. One is a SOP, self occupied property. Another one is a LOP, let out property. And next one is a sub let out property. Mainly classified into three categories. Income from house property mainly classified into three categories. One is a SOP, LOP and SLOP. Self occupied property, let out property and sub let out property. And the next one is income from business or profession. It is the most important of a concept from income from business or profession. Business, it means it is a consisting of a partner. All those partners including in a business. Person, it means profession, it means it is an individual or employee. For example, doctors, lawyers, and chartered accountant, teacher, professor. These are all those heads including in a profession. And next one is income from capital gain. Income from capital gain, it is based on the fixed asset. It is based on the fixed assets. Income from capital gain, it is based on the fixed asset from value of a purchase, sales, net consideration, year of acquisition and year of sale. All those items including in a capital gain on the basis of the asset. And next one, income from other sources. Income from other sources. All those four concepts will accepting the items will be considering from a income from other sources. Income from other sources will be considered to the regarding of all those items will be referred from income from other sources.